So are the girlies on YouTube just not doing hair tutorials like that anymore? Well, it's okay though, because I want to bring them back because I love them, I miss them, and we gotta talk about these clip-ins, girl, because y'all gotta get these, okay? So let's get it. Hey y'all, hey, and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys have been doing well. If you are new here, hey girl, hey, and welcome. My name is Chrissy and I am your digital homegirl, here to help you level up in motherhood, childbirth, and overall wellness. You've been rocking with me all these years, you know I love you, girl. As you guys can see from the title, we are going to be talking about clip-ins. So for the past 9 months now, I have been a certified clip-in girly. Like, I love me some clip-ins. Not only do I love how easy it is to install, I just love how quick it is to install, especially as a busy mom on the go who really doesn't have that much time to really do a lot in the day, because my schedule is just like boom, 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 boom. Convenient and easy clip-ins are, and I just had to do a video about it. I know one of y'all, my homegirls, might be going through the same thing and you are looking for the same thing. I got you, girl. Stay tuned throughout the video to see how I style my hair, how I install the hair, the foundation before installing the clips, and all that good stuff, okay? Obviously, I have them in my hair, but the clip-ins that I have been using for a while are the Lachey clip-ins. I got them straight from Amazon. There's the Love Me clip-ins that I've been wanting to try. They're on Amazon, or you can get them directly from the website. I've seen them on TikTok Shop, but I had already knew about the Lachey clip-ins beforehand. The other brand was Go Sleek Hair. She does like hair tutorials. It's a black-owned business and she sells her own clip-ins and all that, and I just love watching her tutorials. I already knew about Lachey before coming across those. So there's different clip-ins. There's the regular one that has just the track and then the clips on the back. Then there's the seamless one. The seamless clip-ins don't have the track on it, so it's like a solid foundation at the top to help, you know, blend in a little better and to make it a little flatter, because you guys know with the tracks, that's what kind of makes it bulky at the top, but with the seamless, it makes the foundation a little flatter and it makes it easier and convenient to style your hair. But now I came across the invisible seamless clip-ins, and so that's where the foundation at the top is the hair. So instead of seeing the plastic part that holds the hair, it is covered with hair. So not only does it help with the foundation, but it also helps to blend in a lot better where your hair won't show the foundation. That was my struggle with using the seamless clips, was the foundation was showing. And of course, when the wind is being ghetto, or you know, my part is just showing out, you can see the foundation. See, the foundation's still there, but it's covered up with the hair for the most part. Well, that's so much better, because even if you see this, you'll see the hair and not the strip. That's what it is. You'll see the hair, but you won't see the strip. And that's what usually shows with the seamless clip-ins. So you're more than welcome to try whichever one you want. But right now I am loving the invisible. So I'm loving the invisible one so far, and I just wanted to share that because I love a life of ease, and anything that brings me ease, convenience, especially as a busy mom. I just like convenience, and I just love how easy it is to install. I love how quick it is to install. It gives me quick inches instead of me waiting for my hair to grow. Just gives me quick inches in my hair and all of that, and I just love it. So this is how I install my clip-ins. So as I mentioned, these clip-ins are from the brand Lachey. You can find them on Amazon. They have different styles, different textures. The first time I bought from them, I went with the yaki texture, which you see here, and it's the seamless, and those are the seamless clip-ins. Like I said, the plastic just used to show through my hair, so now they came out with the invisible or invisi seamless clip-ins, and I just love these so much better. This is actually the human hair texture instead of the yaki. When it comes to installing, of course, you have to set your foundation. I know some of the girlies like to just install the clip-ins directly into their hair. They don't braid it down, they just flat iron it. Me, I don't like much heat on my hair, but because I have to have some leave out just to make it look more natural, I braid the back of my hair and then I leave part of my front out. So this time I did the side part, so I had to part it as such to make sure that I had enough to cover each base on my hair. And then I start installing the clip-ins. So they come with 4, 3, 2, 1 one when it comes to the clip-ins. So of course I installed the 4s first in the back. I bought 2 bundles and it was enough to fill my big old head, so I put the 2 4s in first, so then I put the 3s in accordingly, then I put the 2s and 1s at the top just so that way it fits in better. And that's it, y'all. I just love these clip-ins because they're super easy to install and you're able to get inches in less than 30 minutes. Like, hello, every mama needs this, okay? All jokes aside, I love being a clip-in girly. I've been a clip-in girly for almost a year now and I love it. I love good traditional sewing. I love going to the hair salon, but nothing beats the ease and the convenience and the quickness of clip-ins, okay? Like right now, I actually dyed mine jet black, so it looks so good, y'all. So natural and healthy. So in recent videos you'll see me with my jet black clip-ins, and like I just love how this hair is just so natural looking and you can dye it as well. So everything will be linked in the description box for you guys. Everything I use to do my hair will be in the description box, so stay tuned for more videos. If you guys would like to see how I style my clip-ins, let me know as well, and I got y'all. So I hope that was helpful, you guys. But of course, feel free to do it how you want and what works for you. You don't want to braid your hair down, just clip it in your hair. Make sure you flat iron it so that it blends really well. If you want to braid your hair down, of course, put the foundation however you want to. You have to do what works for you when it comes to installing these clip-ins. Middle part, boom. Updo, boom. Possibilities with clip-ins are unmatched. That's another video that I want to do if you guys are interested, just showing different ways to style clip-ins. You know, the middle part, now I'm doing the side part. I want to try to do some updos as well. So if you guys would like to see how I style my clip-ins, let me know. Y'all don't understand how much I miss doing hair tutorials and stuff like that on here. That was my thing back in the day, so I kind of want to bring those back. So if you guys would like that, let me know and I got y'all. But of course, everything will be linked down below in the description box for y'all, so make sure that you hit see more. Click down below. The direct link to these clip-ins and everything I used in this video will be in the description box for you guys. So I hope this was helpful. And if you're a clip-in girly like me, let me know what you use, your favorite clip-in brand, and also style, because they have curly too. They have curly, so I think I'm going to do that for the summer. So yes, if you guys would like to see that, let me know as well. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell twice, so that way you're notified every time I post a video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.